B.E.C.E. 2019 Objective Test for Science. Question number 1. Plants are different from animals because they A. have protoplasm, B. have chlorophyll, C. are able to respire, D. are able to reproduce sexually. And the answer is B. have chlorophyll. Plants are different from animals because they have chlorophyll. Number 2. Which of the following conditions is not required for a current to flow through an electric circuit? A. The circuit should be closed. B. A battery must be present. C. There must be connecting wires. D. A bulb must be connected in the circuit. And the answer is D. A bulb must be connected in the circuit. Which of the following conditions is not required for a current to flow through an electric circuit? A bulb must be connected in the circuit. Number 3. Which of the following examples is a source of energy? A. Electricity. B. Heat. C. Light. D. Wood. And the answer is D. Wood. Which of the following examples is a source of energy? Wood. Number 4. Heat is transferred from the bottom of water in a container to the top by A. Conduction. B. Convection. C. Radiation. D. Conduction and radiation. And the answer is B. Convection. Heat is transferred from the bottom of water in a container to the top by convection. Number 5. A mercury thermometer works on the principle that A. Solids expand on heating and contract on cooling. B. Liquids expand on heating and contract on cooling. C. Gases expand on heating and contract on cooling. D. Liquids evaporate when heated to a certain temperature. And the answer is B. Liquids expand on heating and contract on cooling. A mercury thermometer works on the principle that liquids expand on heating and contract on cooling. Number 6. In which of the positions QRST in the diagram below will a body have the greatest potential energy? A. Q. B. R. C. S. D. T. And the answer is R. Number 7. A solar cell produces electrical energy from A. Electromagnet, B. Heat, C. Light, D. Sound. And the answer is B. Heat. A solar cell produces electrical energy from heat. Number 8. In a third-class lever, the A. pivot is between the load and effort. B. Pivot is absent. C. Load is between the effort and pivot. D. Effort is between the load and pivot. And the answer is D. Effort is between the load and pivot. In a third-class lever, the effort is between the load and pivot. Number 9. At which of the positions S, R, Q, and P on the lever in the diagram below must a force be applied to lift the load most easily? A. P. B. Q. C. R. D. S. And the answer is P. Number 10. Which of the following machines works on the same principle as an inclined plane? A. Bottle opener. B. Wheelbarrow. C. Seesaw. D. Screw. And the answer is C. Seesaw. Which of the following machines works on the principle as an inclined plane? Seesaw. Number 11. Power is defined as the A. Ability to do work. B. Force to move an object. C. Rate of doing work. D. Ability to replace energy used. And the answer is C. Rate of doing work. Power is defined as the rate of doing work. Number 12. Which of the following food substances is not involved in respiration? A. Amino acid. B. Fatty acids. C. Glucose. D. Vitamins. And the answer is D, vitamins. Which of the following food substances is not involved in respiration? And the answer is D, vitamins. Number 13. Which of the following organisms is at the beginning of a food chain? A, fish. B, grass. C, locust. D, mosquito. And the answer is B, grass. Which of the following organisms is at the beginning of a food chain? Grass. Number 14. The human male cell that takes part in reproduction is the A, penis. B, scrotum. C, sperm. D, testes. And the answer is C, sperm. The human male sex cell that takes part in reproduction is the sperm. Number 15. The removal of waste product from the cells of organisms is called A, assimilation. B, circulation. C, exhalation. D, excretion. And the answer is D, excretion. The removal of waste products from the cells of organisms is called excretion. Number 16. The central nervous system consists of the A, spinal cord and the spine. B, brain and the nerves. C, brain and the spinal cord. D, skeletal system and skull. And the answer is C, brain and the spinal cord. The central nervous system consists of the brain and the spinal cord. Number 17. Which of the following life processes is not performed by all living things? A, excretion. B, photosynthesis. C, reproduction. D, respiration. And the answer is B, photosynthesis. Which of the following life processes is not performed by all living things? And the answer is B, photosynthesis. Number 18. All veins in the body carry blood that does not contain oxygen with the exception of the veins from the A, heart. B, kidneys. C, lungs. D, liver. And the answer is C, lungs. All veins in the body carry blood that does not contain oxygen with the exception of the veins from the lungs. Number 19. The method of purification of water that produces water containing very little impurities is A, boiling. B, chlorination. C, distillation. D, filtration. And the answer is C, distillation. The method of purification of water that produces water containing very little impurities is distillation. Number 20. Boiling and chlorination are used in water purification to A, kill germs. B, help suspended particles to settle. C, remove suspended particles. D, remove hardness of the water. And the answer is A, kill germs. Boiling and chlorination are used in water purification to kill germs. Number 21. The chemical symbol C is the symbol for A, calcium. B, chlorine. C, carbon. D, sodium. And the answer is C, carbon. The chemical symbol C is the symbol for carbon. Number 22. A substance which is made up of the same kind of atoms is called A, a compound. B, a mixture. C, an element. D, an ion. And the answer is C, an element. A substance which is made up of the same kind of atoms is called an element. Number 23. Which of the following processes results in the formation of new substances? A, heating camphor. B, cooling water to form ice. C, adding saliva to cooked yam. D, mixing iron dust and sand together. And the answer is C, adding saliva to cooked yam. Which of the following processes results in the formation of new substances? Adding saliva to cooked yam. Number 24. When elements combine to form a compound, the A constituent can be separated by a physical process. B. Volume of the compound is the sum of the volumes of the constituent. C. Reaction does not involve a heat change. D. Reaction can be represented by a chemical formula. And the answer is D. Reaction can be represented by a chemical formula. When elements combine to form a compound, the reaction can be represented by a chemical formula. Number 25. Which of the following organisms is likely to increase the oxygen content of the water in a pond? A. Fish. B. Tadpole. C. Mosquito liver. D. Water lily. And the answer is D. Water lily. Which of the following organisms is likely to increase the oxygen content of the water in a pond? D. Water lily. Number 26. Which of the following parasite is a plant? A. Bilharzia. B. Doda. C. Lice. D. Tapeworm. And the answer is B. Doda. Which of the following parasite is a plant? Doda. Number 27. The part of the soil that is most important for the growth of plants is A. Clay. B. Humus. C. Sand. D. Silt. And the answer is B. Humus. The part of the soil that is most important for the growth of plants is humus. Number 28. Which of the following diseases may be associated with water? A. Chickenpox. D. Cholera. C. Smallpox. D. Tetanus. And the answer is B. Cholera. Which of the following diseases may be associated with water? And the answer is B. Cholera. Number 29. The mosquito and housefly are harmful in that they A. Suck blood. B. Bite and cause pain. C. Settle on food. D. Spread diseases. And the answer is D. Spread diseases. The mosquito and housefly are harmful in that they spread diseases. Number 30. Which of the following diseases affects the central nervous system? A. Cerebrospinal meningitis. CSM. B. Poliomyelitis. C. Measles. D. Yellow fever. And the answer is A. Cerebrospinal meningitis. Which of the following diseases affects the central nervous system? Cerebrospinal meningitis. CSM. Number 31. Day and night occur because the earth A. moves round the sun. B. Moves from east to west. D. Moves round the moon. D. Rotates on its axis. And the answer is D. Rotates on its axis. Day and night occur because the earth rotates on its axis. Number 32. Bronze is an alloy of A. Iron and carbon. B. Zinc and copper. C. Iron and zinc. D. Copper and tin. And the answer is D. Copper and tin. Bronze is an alloy of copper and tin. Number 33. Which of the substances causes acid rain when released into the atmosphere? A. Carbon dioxide. B. Water vapor. C. Sulfur dioxide. D. Cement dust. And the answer is C. Sulfur dioxide. Which of the following substances causes acid rain when released into the atmosphere? Sulfur dioxide. Number 34. Which of the following gases helps in rusting? A. Carbon dioxide. B. Hydrogen. C. Oxygen. D. Nitrogen. And the answer is C. Oxygen. Which of the following gases helps in rusting? Oxygen. Number 35. The force of attraction between molecules of different substances is called A. Adhesion. B. Cohesion. C. Tension. D. Viscosity. And the answer is A. Adhesion. The force of attraction between molecules of different substances is called adhesion. Number 36. A metal block has a mass of 0.1 kg. Calculate its volume if the density is 1.0 kg meters raised to power -3. A. 0.01 meters cube. B. 0.10 meters cube. C. 1.00 meters cube. D. 10.00 m cube. And the answer is B. 0.10 m. A metal block has a mass of 0.1 kg. Calculate its volume if the density is 1.0 kg m raised to power -3. And the answer is 0.10 m cube. Number 37. The food manufactured by a plant is distributed to all parts of the plant through the A. Chlorophyll, B. Phloem, C. Stomata, D. Xylem. And the answer is B. Phloem. The food manufactured by a plant is distributed to all parts of the plant through the phloem. Number 38. Some insects are able to walk on water because A. They are lighter than water. B. Their skins cannot be penetrated by water. C. The surface of the water acts like an elastic skin. D. The surface of water is curved. And the answer is C. The surface of the water acts like an elastic skin. Some insects are able to walk on water because the surface of the water acts like an elastic skin. Number 39. Oxygen is made available to all cells of the human body by the A. Plasma, B. Platelets, C. White blood cells, D. Red blood cells. And the answer is D. Red blood cells. Oxygen is made available to all cells of the human body by the red blood cells. Number 40. The force which pulls all objects towards the center of the earth is the A. Frictional force, B. Electrostatic force, C. Gravitational force, D. Rotational force. And the answer is C. Gravitational force. The force which pulls all objects towards the center of the earth is the gravitational force. Thank you very much and God bless you. Good luck in all your exams. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.